everyone, welcome to Shandong packing machine working on site. As you can see, we have a different type of packing machines on production, and our packing machine is a multifunctional type of machines. It can pack many different materials, for example, like food pellet, grains, soybean, coffee bean, many different powder material, and construction powder material. And we also can customize the packing machine as your requirement. Please take a look at our working on site full videos. Okay, I'm Jerry. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.